My name is Joy Osondo, a new YouTuber and a content creator that is currently based in the city of Harcourt. I am super excited and I'm delighted to be making this video. This is something I have been longing to do over the years, but I kept procrastinating it. Procrastination is a killer of destiny, but all glory to God who made it possible. Finally, it has come to reality. I am so excited. I am super excited. This YouTube honestly will be featuring lifestyle. We'll be giving tutorials on different online skills that you need to boost your financial status. We'll be covering family affairs, children affairs. Every educational content will be coming out live from this channel, okay? Yeah, so cue in. Don't miss out. Tell somebody that it's going to be happening live. I am super excited. Please, if there's any content you have, if there's anything good program you have that you want us to feature, kindly locate me or contact me in the comment section because I'll be featuring them live. Please cue in, comment, like every content that comes out from this channel, and please subscribe. Hit your notification icon so that anytime I go live, you'll be the first person to be notified. Don't allow somebody to tell you how it's going to be on this channel, because it's going to be highly educational. Like, it will be exquisitely knowledge based. Okay, let's do this together. Let's build this channel together. I love you all. Help me. Let's do it together because it's going to be awesome. Let's do this together. Looking forward to seeing you. God bless you and thank you.